Good morning, goddammit. It's Mr.Gotdamnit himself. You already know what the fuck going on, you know what I'm saying? Today, we be going on the yacht for the first time. Woo! Hey, man. Today I'm feeling good. We'll be going on the yacht, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you haven't already, hit my line, get your MBM merch, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So, yeah, that goddamn lawnmower just came in the middle of me recording. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it's gonna be it's a celebration of my nigga Marcus. You know what I'm saying? Long live my nigga Marcus. You know I love the nigga to death. You know what I'm saying? So we get ready to head out. God damn it! What's going on, Paige? Oh my God! All right, so how big is this yacht?
15 people.
I know how big it is.
I don't know.
Is it a place where I can just stand on there and like?
Probably.
Yeah.
It's a yacht.
Hey, you heard yourself. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Talking about she want to be on camera. Y'all see it? Get your MBM merch. You see it? Woo! Show them the diamonds. Oh Lord, I don't show y'all too much, goddamn it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have like 15 people, just about 15 people. You know what I'm saying? They go to big homie right there. Today's birthday. You'd have been. Oh, how you would have been 28? Paige?
28 today.
Yeah, you'd have been 28. But you know what I'm saying? Hey. But y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna have some fun. I might jump off the boat. No, I don't think I'm jumping off the boat. I ain't doing that crazy ass shit. But y'all stay tuned, man. It's the goddamn himself. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We out here, Miami, goddamn. You see the fuck going on? We in the drop top. Mustang, you know what I'm saying? What's going on, boy?
Chilling,
that boy looking like Bushwick Jones over there, goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the fuck going on? Hey, look at that thing. Stop playing, man. Stop playing, huh? So we on our way to the motherfucking yacht, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know I had to drop, you know, usually Dodge don't have no drop tops. I hope they never do, nigga. You know what I'm saying? But we on our way. You know I had to jump in the drop top thing. Man, the man said he didn't want to drive. Like, man, listen, fam. You gotta drive the drop top. You know what I'm saying? It's the only way. We out here in Miami, goddammit. You see the fuck going on. You see the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Talking about he didn't want to drive. Man, what the fuck you mean you don't want to drive, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Let me feel that breeze in my hair, goddammit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all see the fuck going on, man. Hey, coming to see my nigga. Hey, like I said, dog, y'all stay tuned. Hey, it's gonna be a movie today, goddammit. Ain't no bullshit. We in the drop top Mustang. Y'all wouldn't catch me here no more. I ain't gonna say it too loud, but you know. Stay tuned, goddammit. Stay tuned. It's the goddamn himself. Yeah. Hey man, we just pulled up to the spot. Goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Joey Bags, what's going on, goddamn?
What's up, man?
With the SRT Hellkeys, goddamn.
You already know what it is, man. Speed mob life for your life. If you ain't with the mob, your motherfucking life suck, man.
Y'all see them some in trunks, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know that, boy.
Hey, you beat on you too, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Val, what's going on, goddamn?
Hey, what's going on, man? It's your boy Bill.
What the fuck going on? Yeah.
Big coordinator, Speed Mob Family Incorporated.
Big corporate, goddamn. Partner with MBM, goddamn, you know what I'm saying?
Got the MBM situation.
Brezzo!
Rust up, Marcus.
Hey, where your shirt at, dog? Where MBM shirt at, dog?
I don't know.
You can't get on the boat. You can't get on the boat. Fuck it. You can't get on the boat. You don't got the shirt, you can't get on the boat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I see the fuck going on. Hey, you got AO on the 45s. What is it, 45s, goddamn? AO? You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the fuck going on. And we also got the MBM shirts, goddamn, you know, get one, buy one free, buy one, get one free.
Security guard type.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I ain't get one, buy one free, but you know.
It's not buy one, get one free.
You know what I'm saying, goddamn, you know what I'm
Ain't shit
saying?
buy one, get one.
Yeah, what's going on, boy? That boy out here looking like a zookeeper, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck, boy?
I got the joke going
You know what I'm
crazy
saying?
right now.
What the fuck going on, goddamn, you know what I'm saying?
You gonna take it out?
Ready to hit that motherfucking water. What the fuck is wrong with your hair, boy?
Leave it alone.
God damn, that boy like Bushwick Jones. Look at this shit, man. What the fuck?
Is there room in a cooler?
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we getting ready to hit that motherfucking water, goddamn. You know what I'm saying, Val? Goddamn. It's the goddamn himself. You know what the fuck on.
Man. You know what time it is. Rest up, Marcus. Happy birthday.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna hold it down for you, goddamn.
You know what I'm saying? You got the MBM Pearl, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Some fuck going on. Yeah.
It's called a beach ready fit, dog.
We have room in a cooler.
So when we jump on the boat, we gonna get back to y'all and how we get down in Miami, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, if you haven't been to Miami, you need to come down and link up with your boy. Let me get you right. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Gotdamnit himself. Yeah. Y'all see the fuck going on, man. We just pulled up to the motherfucking the pier. Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see the coral reef out here? Goddamn it. Ooh-wee. Y'all see it? Look at the water. The water looks so nice, so clean. What's going on, man? How's it going, dog?
Doing good. How y'all doing?
Hey, we good, dog. You know, we out here in Miami. You know what I'm saying?
There we
Get
go.
ready for the boat. Where the boat at, man?
The boat is not here yet.
It's not here. It's coming.
Yeah.
Goddamn it.
Who's in charge of your group? Somebody get called out. The lady?
What happened?
She must have the captain's number.
Ooh, look at this shit here, man. I think that's it. You think that's it?
This is your house, okay, Papa?
You said what?
Make yourself feel like at your home.
All right.
Appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? Val, you see the coral reef out here, goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yo, with the thongs. Oh, Lord, goddamn, hey, yo.
Got the boys out.
You know what I'm saying? Got the boys out,
dogs
dog? You got the boys
Got
out?
the dogs out.
God damn it.
Oh, look at what's up? This is sea. Is this hot?
Hey, I think that's salt. I think it's salt water. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Gotdamnit himself, man. We out here, goddamn it, living life, man.
Hey, look. She don't got him. I got.
What you gonna do, Joey?
I'm gonna knock his motherfucking head off, boy. Don't play with me, dog.
What he did to you, dog?
Man, he fucking around with this motherfucking expensive ass equipment, dog.
Hey, yeah. You better chill out, young man. Just fucking with these shit.
Yeah, right. What
You know
that
what I'm
is?
saying?
The outlet.
Huh? 13th and what?
Over there where we fish at. The inlet, I'm sorry, the inlet. But remember, it's mixed with fresh water and salt water. I talking to my fucking self. Anybody fucking listen?
Hey, look at that, got that on camera.
Alright, I answer myself.
I don't remember this. I don't remember this shit.
You know what I'm saying?
In Miami, right?
You know what I'm saying? Like,
13, right by the
Man,
bridge,
hey.
right by the bridge.
It's an inlet with a.
Hey, y'all think-
Where all the boats come in and go out.
Hey, y'all think this shit deep?
See this ground. Jump in, dog. Yeah, relax. Yeah.
No, I'm good.
I'll get you on camera.
No, I'm good. I ain't doing that shit. What? Hey, hey, press.
Look at him running. Why you running by?
You think I don't get wet? I don't get wet,
That's as
babe.
strong as fucking me.
No, it's not this fucking shit.
You guys swim, man?
I can swim, but don't fuck around with that. Hey, man. Look at this shit, man. That man won't try to push me in the water, dog. I ain't with that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Woo-wee. Look at that. Hey! Motherfuckers. Look at this thing. This shit look good.
Yeah, you can swim.
You know what I'm saying? Val, he's talking to you, dog. Can you swim, Val? You know, hey. You see, hey, you went quiet, so you know what that mean. Look at that big ass boat over there, boy. Yeah. We've been waiting for the boat for a little minute, man. What the fuck going on, man? Anyway, we show y'all how the pier look. You know what I'm saying? When the boat arrives, we get back to y'all when we jumping on that motherfucker. Goddamn. Hey, you got something to say, Val?
Oh yeah, we lit, man. You already know what time it is.
Hey, Mr. Gotdamnit himself, nigga. All right, people.
yeah, I mean, you are
And
thinking,
there goes our boat. God damn it. Hey, that ain't from far. That bitch look small.
Stop in the sand.
Ooh. Look at that thing there, goddamn. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn it. Paige, are you excited? Paige, are you excited?
I don't know.
I don't know why you do that. No, I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, watch out. Yo. All right, we
There you go. That's
we
all
got
it
you.
is.
You know what I'm saying? Got this, look at this thing here, boy. It's up. Fire shit. Yeah, damn it, you know what I'm saying? So this boat is bigger than I expected it would be. But it's just nice. So this is my first time. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. We about to load up. We about to load up the boat right now. We about to load this shit up right now. This shit's nice, man. You know? Don't like them, please.
Go tighter.
Hold it.
Yeah, y'all sit the fuck down. Got the family. We're going on the eyes going.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying? Tell them you got the MBM apparel.
You already know. Yes, sir.
We got the shirt to match the pants and the pants. Hold on, where the green at? And we got the pants to match the shoes, nigga. God damn, fresh as hell, nigga. Joey bags in the highs, man. Tampa Bay.
Yes, sir. Tampa Bay motherfucking Bucks, baby.
What the fuck going on, man?
On that shit bite.
Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. About to jump on this big motherfucker. Y'all gonna hit the motherfucking seat, nigga. Hey. Stay tuned, goddamn. Stay tuned. Yeah. Y'all see what the fuck going on? It's Mr.Gotdamnit himself, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look at the inside. Yeah. Hey, man. Oh my God. Hey, Val, tell them what's going on, goddamn.
Hey, we here, man. We lit.
You in the motherfucking yacht, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to. Hey,
we here.
see the fuck going on. Hey. Whoa. Johnny Bags.
What up, baby?
Hold on now. Tampa Bay.
Tampa in this bit, boy. Tampa,
Hey.
from Florida, boy.
You see what the fuck it is, my G?
Man, Graham, move, dog.
What, nigga?
Move,
My
bitch.
bad, bro.
Just because you said
What
full time, me on
they
scared of your bitch ass.
I didn't say nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Joey bags in the video. You know what time
It's the guy.
Hey,
Hey,
man, big belly boy coming through.
You know what I'm
big
saying?
belly Tampa boy coming through. In
Coming down.
Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay.
You know what I'm saying? God damn it. Hey, we gonna get back to y'all, goddamn it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Sounds a lot different from what y'all had when I heard it before.
Damn, boy. Hey, jump in for him real quick, dog.
Hey, wait. Watch out, dog. You said if I go, you going.
Hey, why you go, dog? Hey! Hey, jump in for him, dog.
No, you jump in.
No, I'm good. Fuck on that boy. Wait, jump in, dog.
But how deep you think that is?
You can see the bottom.
I'm saying, how deep you think it is?
Maybe 10.
Oh, that's 10, I can get it.
10, that's 10.
Back that bitch up.
Like it's just so simple.
Back that shit up right now.
At least 10.
I can go check.
Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. We out here.
You already know we deep.
Deep, nigga.
You trying to go down there?
What?
You trying to go down?
That's how I am, bro. I want to touch that bitch and come back up.
Oh, go ahead, dog.
Big ass raccoon and shit.
Have fun with that. Hey, look at that raccoon over there, dog. What the fuck?
Where that? Hey, damn, don't nobody know how to fly the drone. Do it, bitch. Fuck.
I'll do it for you.
Nah.
But sit down. Man, this is what the fuck going on, man. Hey, Hey, we out here, man. Y'all see the fuck going on. It's a motherfucking vibe, nigga. Okay. So you basically you trying to tell me right now you about to go to the top, the bottom.
All right.
I'm
gonna try.
All right. I'd like to see you try. We here. Let's see what the fuck going on, man.
Every time I step in the booth, it's like I belong in here. Ain't no cap in my circle like
Oh! Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what the fuck going on, man. We in the goddamn. Hey, I ain't like, this is my first time. This is my first time in this motherfucker. It feel good, you know what I'm saying? It feel like I'm alive, nigga. Alright, now let me bring the hype down, you know what I'm saying? But the service over here is not too good, dog. I don't know why, dog. The service, I try to get stuff to load up on my phone. It's like it's not loaded, dog. Oh, what? What you need?
Somebody asked for a bottle opener or something.
Use your teeth, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Florida, bitch. Tampa, bitch.
Tampa, eh?
Hey, Ain't no more of them sandwiches, dog? That nigga gave me a piece of sandwich. I'm like, what the fuck? That was it? Where the rest at, nigga? Oh. Yeah, man. It's hot out there.
It is fucking hot out there.
Ain't jumping in the water. Yes, sir. You see? You know what I'm saying? My dog Vel done blessed me with a motherfucking sandwich, nigga. You got that? You already know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. Feeling royal. Feel royal. Hey, what's going on, Pop? Hey.
Yeah, we put some shit in the fridge.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Oh, well, there you go.
Hey, tell my YouTube what's going on, boy. You know what I'm saying? This is the motherfucking chauffeur, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
You know, this is Captain Twin right here. You can follow me at S
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Disrespect that man like that, bro. Don't call him a chauffeur. He's a motherfucking captain, man.
Hey, that too, nigga. He drive the
That's like
motherfucking
calling
boat.
him a cameraman,
He
man.
drive the motherfucking boat. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and talk to him real quick, dog.
You know, we out here, y'all having a good time, looks like it, and we'll enjoy ourselves. And, you know, somebody's birthday special, so we're gonna make it work.
What you do what it do, goddamn.
We're gonna do what it do.
Hey, that goddamn, yeah.
Get it in.
Now I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm about to fuck this sandwich up. See the fuck going on. This the goddamn it himself. Yeah. So we down here in the boat dungeon. You know what I'm saying? It's hot as fuck up in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? But the captain, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Cap?
What's up?
You know, this is goddamn it himself with the goddamn captain. What's going on, man?
No, we out here. You have to turn the AC
Hey,
on.
let's go up top for him real quick, dog. Let's show him some good shit,
show him
goddamn.
around.
Come on, dog. You know what I'm saying? We out here in Miami. You know what I'm saying? What today is? Wednesday. It's feeling good. It's hot and sunny, goddamn it. Man, how you always eating, dog? Fuck.
No, it's about niggas
You know what I'm saying? You know, let's
we out here. You see the island right here.
Y'all see it? Yeah.
Raccoons.
So the coons, nigga.
You know, you gotta let them see it. You gotta
You
give them
see the coons
everything.
at? Yeah, come on, let's go and talk, dog. Hopefully I don't fall out of this motherfucker. What you looking at, dog?
The water was coming out the generator.
Yeah. AC?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Y'all see the fuck going on, man.
Show them the vibes.
I see it, man. This shit don't get hot?
It's a Wednesday.
It doesn't get hot?
No, not at all.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why is the type of material?
Yeah.
Because usually it should be hot as hell.
Look, it's cold, right?
Yeah, it's cold. But I expect that shit to be hot as fuck.
It's just a different material.
All right, so you know what I'm saying. Tell them how long you been living out here in Miami, dog.
2003, actually.
Where you from originally?
Naptown,
Naptown? I never heard of that before.
Indiana.
Oh, okay. That's where we going tomorrow.
Are you?
Yeah.
Who did that? You?
Not me. Nah, that's what she said. We gonna do some stuff and shit.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Oh. Hold on now, hold on. You know what I'm saying? You got them over there on the little boat. Hey, Patty, we done talking? What you done? Ran away from me, dog?
Come on, I'm gonna turn the AC on for him.
All right, come on. Let me get down here. Oh my God, my back. Jesus Christ, my back. You know what I'm saying? Hold on.
And I'm about to be the
Hold on. Oh, okay. Man, what the fuck you doing on people's boat, dog?
I'm about to drive the boat, dog.
You about to drive the boat?
Yeah, man, I'm about to drive the boat.
Why?
Hey, man, relax.
Man, girl, you both up doing shit, man. What the fuck is wrong with you, dog?
I'm about to drive the boat, man.
Hey, whoa! Hey, hold on, Raven. Let me explain something to you, dog. If this boat flip over, you driving, I see when I got I'm gonna beat your ass.
You ain't gonna beat my ass if we both on the water?
No, we're not. I'm gonna save you. I'm gonna pull you by your whatever the fuck your fro, and I'm gonna pull you to the island. I'm gonna whoop your ass, and I'm gonna throw you back in. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the fuck going on. I don't think y'all can see me too good, but it's black out here. You know what I'm saying? We out here, lifestyle, baby. Hey, y'all stay tuned for tomorrow, man. We heading up to Indiana tomorrow. It's gonna be cold as shit, nigga. Huh?
That's gonna be lit.
Yeah, it's gonna be lit, man. Gonna be y'all. My first time taking my YouTubers to the snow, so y'all stay tuned for that. We out here living lavish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to y'all real quick. It's hot at this motherfucker. I gotta cool down. I'm black as hell. I'm not usually this black, dog. Look at this nigga. Dog. This nigga look like Don King. Like Don King, like motherfucker look like Kunta Kinte, goddamn. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm hot as hell, goddammit. Alright, people. That concludes the video for today. Man, I had a fucking blast, man. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm getting ready to go to a car meet. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, you know, the video has to come to an end. But, you know, stay tuned tomorrow. Because, like I said, we're going out of town. Going to the snow, goddamn. We're taking you. The last time I went to the snow, I didn't take you guys with me. Because, you know, I didn't want to get on the plane, all that shit. Since we're driving, carry all my equipment with me. And, you know, it could be a movie. We're supposed to be doing some crazy ass shit. Y'all know how I get down. You know what I'm saying? On Instagram. If you haven't followed my Instagram is Carvers_1K. And my car page is chat_black 6.4. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. Like I said, dog, we got more shit. We got some more hot shit. Just stay tuned, goddammit. Mr. Gotdamnit himself. Hey. And we out.